I'm back, guys. Well, I had an issue and I think I figured it out. A bunch of little issues. I was trying to use a timing gun and time it, but my timing gun wouldn't come on when I started. And it's running really bad, right? So I turned the timing gun on and I got nothing. Light won't come on. I said, what is going on with this thing? So then I hooked up my light tester for my spark plug, right? Didn't have anything on the #1 cylinder, the #1 spark plug. Wires, brand new. I just put them on today. So now what's going on? So I checked this side and it works. I got fire on this side. Got fire back over there on some of them. And a couple I don't. I said, why not? New rotor cap, new distributor cap. So I noticed, here's what I noticed. I pulled the distributor out. Distributor. And what I've noticed is where the points are set. I don't know if you can see this, where this goes around right there on the high side when you set the points. See how this is like octagon shaped? But when this thing's in there, you spin this, it's not even at those plugs all the time. One's smaller than the other. I think this thing's wore down. This is loose. It shouldn't be that loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a distributor. That way I know that's good. Have a new motor here for long, guys. So why that thing? That's got to be that. It's got to this. This is not wanting to fire right on that #1 cylinder wire. So we'll find out. Like right there, look, that barely even opened. We shall see. This comes in tomorrow. We shall figure it out. #1 doesn't work. Okay. Later, guys. Well, it's a good day. Rainy day, but a good day. The reason why is I got the old girl running. Finally figured it out. For anybody out there that sees this and don't know if they ever have the same problem, #1 cylinder right here would not fire. Didn't have no fire going to it. So I ended up having, after I changed everything in the distributor, rotor, points, condenser, I ended up changing the distributor, and now that one plug fires. This thing cranked right up so good, but I can't run it. I got to get my radiator for it. I had got the wrong radiator, so I'm waiting on that. It'll be here next week, and this old girl is going to be running pretty dang good. I'm a happy camper.